Where'd your hat go, Olivia?
Mommy,
Sabrina, can you help your sister find her hat?
okay.
Where is it? Oh, there it is. Where's your hat? I see it, Sabrina. There's the pink hat.
It's her. No, me. It's her. It's her. Red. Oh, her. No, me.
Oh, where'd your hat go, Olivia?
Yeah.
Hey, oh yeah, your hair. Where'd your hat go? Did the wind blow it off?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, you found it. Oh, good. The wind. Oh, there it went again. It keeps falling off. Oh. Does that feel good over there by the heater, Sabrina? It feels good. It feels warm, huh? Oh, did you lose your hat again? Oh, there it went again.